For question number 16, it says that, well, there are 6 bridges linking the islands and the 2 banks are shown. It says that Leonard is going for a walk every day and he's walking over each bridge exactly once, starting from point A, ending at point B. So it means that for the first and the last bridges, it was already fixed. So the number of, what is the maximum number of days he can walk without repeating the order? It means how many ways can he travel with different orders across all the bridges. So the first way is going to be 3, 4, 2, 6. All right. And of course, 4, 3, 2, 6 is also an option. So that's what we can do. And then the second option is 2, 6, 4, 3. And of course, we can also do 2, 6, 3, 4, right? As long as we are ending on the right-hand side, it's all good. So 2, 6, 4, 3, and 2, 6, 3, 4. Finally, is there any possibility that I can go to the right-hand side first before coming back to left-hand side? Yes, because there's a river bank there, right? So we can go 4, 6, 2, 3 or 3, 6, 2, 4. So there are a total of 8 ways that Leonard can do it. That's the answer, D. All right, as for question 17, it says that the square contains 4 congruent rectangles arranged around the center square, and the perimeter for each of them is 40 centimeters. So it means that if perimeter is equal to 2 times the length adding the width, that's going to be equal to 40 centimeters. It means that the length and the width together is 20 centimeters. So now we can just try to mark everything with width and length to see what is the width and the length actually. So this is on the outside, and well, each side is 20 centimeters. So we can see that the large square is going to be 20, right? But what about in the center? So we have a length there taking away the width. We have a length taking away the width. So that's length take away the width in the center. So how do we find the area there? So it means that basically we can see that, we're just trying to find the large one, so no worries. So that's just 20, isn't it? That's the width adding the length. So the area is equal to 20 squared, which is going to be 400 square centimeters. Okay, so the answer is A. Overthought it a little bit. And let's take a look at question number 18. Question number 18. It says that when Ellen went to the shop, she found that she could spend all her money on 6 cans of cola and 7 croissants, or on 8 cans of cola and 4 croissants. So if she decided to buy only croissants, how many croissants could she buy? So let's take a look at the relationship. If 6 cans of cola, let's say X, and 7 croissants, let's say Y, is equal to 8X adding 4Y. So it means that 2X is equal to 3Y after rearranging. So if she decided to buy only croissants, then 6 cans of cola can be swapped for 9 croissants. So the number of croissants that she could buy is equal to 9 adding 7, which she could originally bought. So that's going to be 16. And the answer is D for this one. Now let's take a look at question 19. It says that Adam, Bill and Chris went swimming 15 times last summer. Adam paid for everyone 8 times and Bill paid for everyone 7 times. At the end of the summer, Chris calculated that he owed £30. So how should he split this between Adam and Bill such that each of them has paid the same amount? All right, so if Chris has owed £30, it means that altogether the 3 of them would have spent £90, right? Because that's 30 times 3. So if each time it's going to be 30 divided by 15, which is £2, it means that Adam has paid 8 times 2 times 3, which is £48. And Bill, of course, the remaining £42. So it means that if everyone has to pay the same amount, then Chris would have paid 30 already. Adam would have paid an extra of £18, which means that Chris needs to give Adam £18 and £12 to Bill. All right, because Bill has paid 7 times 2 times 3, which is £42. All right, so that's the answer. And the last one for these 5. So it shows 5 congruent right-angled triangles, which are isosceles there. What is the total area of the triangles? Okay, so if the length is 30 centimeters, you can just think about having all the squares completed. And now each diagonal of the square is going to be 6 centimeters, right? And then if you think about it, it's going to be equal to, like, each square has the area of 6 times 6 divided by 2. That's the area of a square, which is equal to 18 square centimeters. Now I have 5 of these squares, and each triangle is just half of the square. So the area of the triangle is 18 divided by 2, which is 9 centimeters squared. So now I have 5 of these triangles, so the total area is equal to 5 times 9, which is 49 square centimeters. Okay? So that's it for question number 20.